Yes, I'm calling regarding a traffic accident. I'm bicycling with a trailer. I got hit by a motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle stopped. This is southbound Plainfield Maplewood Road, between 127th and 136th Street. Southbound. Bicycle with a trailer with bright lights, and I got hit directly, pretty much square behind in the lane. I was on the bike, and it was
Stop sign. Stop sign, retard.
Shitty driver. Good job.
You guys ain't gonna believe this. I've seen some goofy crap in my day. Look at this. Dude has no idea his door is open. What the crap? Damn. Oh man. They're just hanging open. I'm glad he's empty, but good Lord. Come on there, son. Jesus. He ain't got a friggin' clue. He hasn't looked at his mirror yet. He's looking at his phone. Whoops. He's still moving. He still hasn't figured it out.
Off guard the one day that he was covering off from work.
What the fuck, man? Can you get out of the way? The hybies aren't on, asshole.
Alright, asshole.
They're not on. Go look. I'm gonna tire now because I'm tired of you people high beaming me and cleaning me up. You don't like it?
You idiot.
Go look at them. Go look at them.
How am I hiding if I'm in front of you?
No, not you. Other people.
So what is it my fault?
So you telling me I'm high beaming you? I'm not high beaming you.
So other people are assholes to you? You're
Yeah.
actually an asshole to me?
I'm not being an asshole to you. Just go turn in your driveway. I just want to go home.
So here's the dash cam footage from March 5th at 12 o'clock as I'm heading home down Twin Creeks to go to lunch. On the left-hand side, you're going to see Officer Clark driving his police SUV. There he is. Now, Sergeant Miller, upon examining this video, told me that he felt that I was probably speeding, considering the rate of distance that was being closed as I got closer to him before this incident. But if you look at this, he's going a considerable amount of speed himself. And he also said that I was in his blind spot when he decided to merge improperly into my lane. So here you're going to see a white sedan up ahead of him that's going to want to turn left against traffic to the River Oak Apartments. Now watch, there's a good 4 seconds here before he moves. So he should have seen me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's actually 5. Well, look at that. And that little shake is me going into the curb, noticing that he was going into my lane. And then what you notice, he did not signal. And not only that, but he did not signal when he went back into his left lane. Now at that point, I'm trying to catch up to him. I've honked at him. I'm trying to get his attention. I need him to stop. He caused an accident. What's called a non-collision accident. Now, he's going to turn left into the old Teleperformance parking lot. At that point, I've decided enough is enough. He's got to be held accountable for his actions, and somebody has to pay for the damages done to my vehicle because of his actions. So I wait, I make sure that I'm clear, I go ahead and I take a U-turn, and I head on over there to talk to Officer Clark about his behavior, who he claimed he never heard me, he never saw me. Now, Sergeant Miller has gone on to say that Officer Clark is not responsible for the actions of my decision to go into the curb, that I am liable for those damages myself, and that KPD will not be helping me in the repairs of my vehicle. He also lectured me again that he thought I was going too fast, which is complete baloney. But hey, I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know.